Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Fisher with Gold Coast Chiropractic. What we do here at Gold Coast Chiropractic is our goal is to restore your body to optimal function. We understand that there is a normal for how your body is supposed to be aligned, how it's supposed to move, and that deviations from that normal can cause issues. Many patients will see us for headaches or neck pain or low back pain or shoulder pain, but what they find is that along with the resolution of like headaches, neck pain, low back pain, shoulder pain, that they also have improved energy. They sleep better, they've got more focus at work. They find that honestly that they're just in a better mood all around because their body's working the way that it's supposed to. So we see a number of professionals in the area who are looking to do better at work, to a number of seniors who want to continue to enjoy the rest of their life, to children who, whether it be from scoliosis or any other issue, just their parents want to make sure that they grow and develop normally. So again, I'm Dr. Paul Fisher with Gold Coast Chiropractic. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks and have a nice day.